Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible 1-2 and big old wave 3. I don't even see any evidence that the wave 3 is over, and I still think that it's more likely that it is going to continue up a little bit more, grab one of these Fibonacci levels, which really it could be any one of them. It could stretch out a lot more potentially before it actually does make the big wave 4 correction that we've been waiting for, and another push up for wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this looks to me like a wave 1, this looks like a wave 2, and I still think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. We definitely do not have a breaker structure, we definitely do not have a Fibonacci bounce or a lower high telling us this wave 3 is over. I think there's a very good chance this is probably like a wave 4 of wave 3, and we're probably going to go up for a wave 5 of wave 3, just to finish off this wave 3 trend, which started at the end of this wave 2 way back here. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame now, we do have a breaker structure on the daily, which probably proves that this last impulsive move up, the last 5 waves, is over. But this is just a trend within a trend. That definitely doesn't mean that the higher time frame trend is over. I think more than likely this first move down is an A. I think more than likely we're probably in a wave B right now, and we're probably eventually going to go down for a C before we actually go up again. This is all still part of the wave 3 on the weekly monthly time frame. So I think there's a good chance it's like a wave 4 of 3 and then eventually back up for a wave 5 of wave 3. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, originally yesterday I was thinking this move up was going to be a wave 4, but that's way too way too steep to be a wave 4. So I think what's going on is we made 3 waves of A, which is definitely happens a lot. And I think now we're probably going to go up and make some sort of 3 waves of B, which I think will either go to the 61 or the 78% before it actually goes down again and makes the wave C, just like the pattern I was showing on the daily time frame. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last move up, which by the way is like a perfect 5 wave trend. So this move up is probably a wave A of wave B. We're probably in a wave B of wave B now, which will more than likely make a 3 wave pattern down to a Fibonacci level for the B of B before it actually goes up and makes the wave C of wave B, just like what I was showing you guys on the 4 hour time frame. So probably the next best trade is definitely trying to get in at the end of this wave B of B, maybe at the 50-61% after 3 waves down, to go long for the wave C of wave B. But the sword at the end of the wave C of wave B is going to be even a better trade, so definitely keep an eye out for that also. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.